What's up?
What's up?
Anyways, this is season 1, episode 3 and 4, okay? But remember, we have to stay in our shelter until the tornado has ended. What? And of course, there's like, it's gonna keep crashing again. Anyways, without further ado, season 1, episode 3 and 4 begins now. Starts. New Mexico.
Hmm?
Look what Arizona's doing.
What's going?
He's flying. Ouch.
Hey, watch it. Hmm? Ow.
Gotcha. No, I'm clear code again. Ow! Careful. So New Mexico. Oh.
Hmm?
Oh, never mind. We're still not low on food yet. What? Ow.
Hey, watch it.
Ah! You wanna play with me, Viola?
What?
You wanna play with me, please?
Why?
Cause I'm bored.
Yeah.
I'm bored. Whoa! Can you stop Aerosol? Stop disturbing our. Can you stop Aerosol not to disturb us? We're trying to play with each other. Whoa! Please?
Hey. Hey, watch it.
Oh, crap. What? Oh. Abercat Notorious is 5 miles away again. I think it's taking a break.
Hmm.
Yeah, remember, tornadoes take breaks because they don't end up dissipating. Oklahoma, can you check if we're out of something so I can go back to the store really quick?
Hmm. Hmm.
Did we run out of something or not yet?
Uh,
Not yet?
not good.
Whoa. Hey.
Hmm? Ouch.
Oh, every cat.
Hmm?
Can you stop? Can you tell to not disturb us? We're trying to play with each other. What? See, he's disturbing us. Ow. Psst.
Hmm?
Psst. Uh-huh. Ow. Uh-huh. Can you stop it?
Hmm.
Feel like fall over. Oh, what happened?
Hmm?
What happened?
Uh,
Why am I keep flying around? The next to you.
hmm.
tick, tick. Hmm? What do you want? Ow!
Hmm?
Feel like he knocked me. He did.
Can you stop doing that, please?
Nope. Gotta do something to you next.
Hmm?
Watch this.
Hmm? Hey.
Strike!
Yep.
Ouch. Fluffy can't wake up. What? Huh?
Huh?
What happened? Arizona knocked us all. He's been crazy. Someone to stop disturbing us. Because he's annoying right now. I'm still playing Minecraft. Neither of us are playing Minecraft. He's gonna have to stop bothering us. He's bumping into us. Yeah, I agree. Ow! Stop it, Arizona. Can you stop it for once? Just stop it! Stop throwing me. You better stop it right now. Idiot! Hey! Don't call me an idiot. You idiot. Hey, stop saying that. Idiot, I'm warning you. You're an idiot. I said I'm warning you. If you say that word one more time, I'm gonna beat your ass. This is your last final warning. Huh?
Hmm?
Idiot. Fluffy cat.
Huh?
No, not you. Fluffy cat.
Huh?
I mean, fluffy cat. What? Don't say that word. Stop repeating what she said. Idiot. Hey! Viola.
What?
He's calling us idiots.
Don't,
Time to stop that. It's annoying us.
don't say it.
Viola, you're also an idiot. From my viewpoint, you're also an idiot. Wait, Toya, you're also an idiot. Oh, all of you guys are idiots.
Hmm.
What, nothing like a great punch in the face. Wait, what? Ow. Take that from my viewpoint.
Ouch.
Idiot, 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 idiot. Yeah, what? Idiot, idiot. That's it. What? I'm gonna beat your ass now. No, no, don't do it, please. Come back over. What is that?
It's a saucer.
Oh, you had to make hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Okay. No, no, please, no, don't. Hmm. Huh? UTEP lost again.
What?
They lost 6 times.
Okay.
No, that's bad.
It's bad?
Yes,
Okay.
not a single win. No, 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 please. Get back over here. Hmm. Somebody save me.
Huh?
He's about to beat my ass because I said idiot a lot of times. Accept your fate. You're not gonna. If you say that word, I told. Oops. Sorry. If you should have said that word, none of this would happen. Now get ready to get your ass beat. No! Help!
Hey,
What?
stop.
The heck is your problem?
What?
Oh, you want to get your ass beaten too?
No, no.
Oh, do you? If you call me idiot, then you'll get your ass beaten.
Uh,
Hmm. Whoa, whoa. Ow! Ow! Help! Ow! I. Someone help me! Ow! Ow! Please! Ow! Somebody help me! Ow! Ow! Really? Ow! Help! Ow! Are you guys gonna stand it to nothing? I'm beat it up. Whoa, 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 Arizona. Calm down. Oops. I was sorry for cricket. It's okay. Don't be my butt again. Okay, I won't say a word ever again. Thank you. It's okay, Gary Cat. I'm fine. I'm good. What were you throwing away? I'm fine.
Hmm.
But still gonna hit you guys when I've been thrown around. Never mind. God, this tornado is far from us a little bit. Isn't it? Why are you looking in your bag? We're busy. Still, yes. Take this. Yes. Take this.
Ow.
What?
Oh, yeah, jeez.
Do what? In your face? Whoa! I knock you two down.
Ouch.
Wow. Jesus Christ. Ah. Is any cat hungry yet? No stomach growling yet? Not even close? I'm not hungry yet. I just fed the last episode. Grumble. Huh?
Huh?
What was that?
Um,
Someone's cat? Is someone's is someone's cat someone cat hungry?
Mm.
Is anyone hungry yet?
Um.
I can hear a stomach rumble. I think it's.
Mm.
Wait, isn't it? You
Mm.
Bro, my boyfriend, you're hungry again.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I couldn't hear it. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Oh,
Mm.
I gotta make this quick.
What?
It's, it's coming closer.
What's wrong?
The tornado's nearing. There you go.
Thanks.
Every cat do this same thing.
Mm.
Cover, duck down and cover your head with your hands and pause. It's coming nearing. Oh, oh. Why aren't you 5 doing it? There's a tornado coming near us.
Oh.
Do it quick.
Sorry.
Sorry. Ow.
Hmm?
Careful. Arizona, sorry. Oh, did you guys heard the 49ers won? Anyone?
Uh.
They didn't once watch the football game? Be a lot, the 49ers won.
What?
They won.
Yeah.
Huh? They did. Nope. Whoa.
Mm.
What are you doing, Arizona? Nothing.
Mm.
Texas, it's almost near the end.
What?
Wait, it is? Yes. Okay. Oh,
Mm.
it's near to the end now. Yeah, the tornado is still near us, but we have to do it. Not gonna do the last video today, Gordon. I'm tired.
You tired?
Just these 2 episodes and then I can take a break.
Hmm?
I'm tired.
You tired?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I was watching the whole game.
No.
Anyways, goodbye, you guys. See you on season 1, episode 4. Anyways, goodbye. The end of season 1, episode 3. Season 1, episode 4 coming right now. Anyways, goodbye. See you right now. Episode 4 coming up. Great critic. Yes? I know Arizona beat you, but Arizona, don't do that to her. Sorry. It's okay. Anyways, you guys, see you right now. Bye.